A rectangle P units long and Q units wide has an area A square unit where A equals to PQ. A. Find the floor area of a room 5 meter long and 3 meter wide. B. Find the width of a postcard of area 112 centimeter square and length 14 centimeter. C. Find the length of a rectangular piece of area 171 centimeter square and width 9.5 centimeter. Solution. The first thing is to write out the given formula. A equals to PQ. Find the floor area of a room. The floor area of a room 5 meter long and 3 meter wide. So in this case, we know that from this question, P represents the length. That's the longer part of the room because it's a rectangular room. And Q represents the wideness. That is the wide, we can say the width of the room or the breadth of the room, of the rectangular room. So in that case, P equals to what? 5 meter from the question, and 3 meter represent the breadth of the rectangular floor of the room. 3 meter. So what we are going to do now, we are going to substitute. Anywhere we see P, we put in 5. And anywhere we see Q, we put in 3. So in this case, we have 5 meter into bracket what? Q, 3 meter. So now, 5 times 3, what do we have? 15. And meter times meter, 15 meter square. So area equals to 15 meters squared. That is the solution to the first part of the problem. B. Find the width of a postcard of area, that is given A equals to 112 centimeters squared from the question. This is A. And the length. And what does the length represent? That is P. P equals to what? 14 centimeter. What are we looking for? We want to find Q. So in this case, we substitute into the formula again. What do we have? We have 112 equals to what? Anywhere we see P, we put in 14. Then we have 14Q now. We want to look for Q. So what do we do to both sides? We are going to divide both sides by 14. So we have 112 divided by 14 equals to 14Q divided by 14. Now, 14 here, 1. 14 here, 1. Dividing this, we can reduce this. 14 here. Let's use 2 to divide because 2 is common to both numerator and denominator. 2 in 14, we have 2. And 2 in 112, we have 56. 2 in 14, that is 7. And 2 in 112, we have 56. So Q equals to 56 divided by 7. And 56 divided by 7 will give us what? 8. So this gives us 8 centimeter. So in a nutshell, we can say 112 divided by 14 will give us 8. That's 8 centimeter. Now, we have solved for the second problem because we have to find the value of Q, which is width. So Q equals to 8 centimeter. Let's go to C part. Find the length of a rectangular piece of area 171 centimeter square and width 9.5 centimeter. So we still use the formula. We know A equals to PQ. And now in this question, we have been given A to be 171 centimeters square. And what is the value of the width, which represent Q? Q equals to 9.5. Let's convert 9.5 from mixed number to an improper fraction. 2 times 9, that is 18. 18 plus 1, that is 19. So we have 19 divided by 2 centimeters. So from here we substitute. Anywhere we see A, we put 171. Then equals to P into bracket. Don't forget we are looking for P because P represents the length. So P into bracket what? 19 divided by 2 centimeters. So in this case, we can cross multiply. By the time we cross multiply, what do we have? We now have 2 times 171 equals to what? 19P. This, we multiply this. This 171 is like over 1. So 2 times 171. From here now, I want to find P. What do we do? We divide both sides by 19. So we have 2 times 171 divided by 19 equals to 19P divided by 19. 19 and 1, 19 and 1. And now, 19 and 1, 19 in 171 will give us 9. Let me calculate it out for you. 19 times 9. 9 times 9 is what? 81. Then we carry 8. We write 1. 9 times 1, that is 9. 9 plus 8, that's 17. So you can see. So 171 divided by 19 will give us 9. So we only have 2 times 9 now. It means that P equals to 2 times 9. What is 2 times 9? That is 18. 18 centimeters. So it means that when the area is 171 centimeters square and the width is 9.5 centimeters, then the length of the rectangular piece is 18 centimeters. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.